All right. We got, guys, it's Monday open. We're finally here. Let's see if we're recording. Yes, we are recording. So, let's get right into it. Oh, look at this, Black Friday. Okay. This is a good plan. I think I might grab a long right before pre-market. Right before market open. 5 minutes until market open, guys. Welcome back. The weekend just passed and there are a few things that happened on the Nasdaq. This is a very good formation, I'd say, but let's go to the plan. All right, let's get into it. On the QQQ, we got a massive gap, a huge gap to the upside. On the SPY, we're at the all-time highs at the SPY, at the 600 area. Very interesting. The ES is not yet at the 600 area, but we did form a huge gap to the upside on all of them. 1 second. Okay. All right. So what we did is we opened with a huge gap to the upside on the Nasdaq, as you can see, and we held the pivot here at the 940s, and we held it support. We bounced, and held it support, and then broke out of the range at the 980s, and we ripped like what? This was a 100-point move pretty much. The daily chart looks as if it wants to push into the 2100s, 200s. That'd be great. The 15-minute chart, as you can see, we had a very good setup pre-market here, the perfect setup, you could say. We came back into the 90s, but what I would have liked to see is come back into the 80s, not the 90s. But as you can see, we're not always gonna get it, but still great overall setup. If you got long like here, stop would be here, you still would have got 38 points. Alright, so there's 3 minutes, 2 minutes left pretty much until market opens. 15-minute chart looks good, I think, for a continuation. Maybe, I don't know, maybe up there somewhere 2100s, 21,100 area, this 100 area up here. We're at the 21 EMA down there. Now let's see, we got support down here into the 90s, so I wonder if we're gonna hold it. So I think today will be a pretty good day for direction, and I think we're gonna grab good opportunities. Let's see those gaps up here, so let's be aware of that. We're at the pivot on the ES. ES also looks bullish. I don't think I put the view up on the ES. That's very strange. Let's let me put this right here. There we go. So we're above the view up. We're above the view up on the ES. We're above the view up on the Nasdaq. Everything's above the view up. So we might go down there into the 2100 area. That would be, I'd say, a good key level to retest and keep going higher. But let's see, we got a few more 30 seconds until market open. So let's see if we can grab anything. Very interesting situation. 18 seconds. 21 EMA, maybe we hold that support. We got that overall 21,000 area. Got long, that's okay. Lost $100. There's the 2100s. This might be a dump. Resistance at the, maybe we can dump below the 90s, retest the 90s. There we go, volume. We're at volume here. We're about down $105. $60 volume. Yeah, I think we're planning to fill that gap here, as you can see. Maybe we can get a pullback somewhere. I'd want to get this area into the 80s perhaps. How much of the gap have we filled? Not even close. Curious. ES bounced. ES still above the view up. Oof. Interesting scenario. Maybe I can get a short. Nope. We're down 283. What is this? I think if we can get it up here into the 30s. Yeah, I'm clearly not seeing it today. I think I'm done. We're down 20% on the account. We're down 10% on the account, which is within the reasonable range, but I think I might get another long, but this doesn't look like a long, to be honest. This looks like... tricky. Up there into the 25s, maybe 30s. There we go. Maybe there's another entry point, if you know what I mean. I think this looks like a bear flag more likely. We're in a massive range here. Keep holding at the 2100s here. Important key level. What a range, guys. Holy. Don't know. We're down just $600. I don't know if this is the right play. Maybe we can get somewhere up there into the 40s. And don't chop us back down. I'm just gonna let it run. High of day. Maybe we aim for a 50 area. Very tasty. There we go. Oh, come on. We're just up $94. You have got to be kidding me right now. I might take it and leave. Because after what just happened down there at the bottom, I mean, come on guys, this is the dog water. This is dog water. I was down initially $600, which was within the mark, which is within a reasonable risk that you should take on the account, but God. Let's see if we can come back down in this 45 area. This is very important. 45 area. There it is, 45. Come on, 45 area. A little more. Gonna switch to the micros. Think we can get this push. Just 20 points. Perfect trade. That's it, I'm done. $289, we obtained our target. Right there, that was the perfect setup. Like I said, get down there into the 45s and push back up. That was it. This was a very strong trade, to be honest. This was a super strong trade. Bought from the 14s and sold it to the 50s. That was it, there's the trade. That was the setup. This was also a good setup. This was also a good setup, but getting screwed in this area, man, this is God. Yep, I'm done. That's it. So let's see, $315. Not bad, 7 trades, that's not bad at all. Total profit 990, total loss 675. Largest winning trade was 710. Largest losing trade was 200. Average winning trade, average losing trade, everything is way larger than my losing trades, and this is how it should look like. Max run up $900. Sick. $289, you know, every day you aim for like $200, $500 or so. Every day I plan to aim between $200 and $400. That's my goal. This was a perfect long. I like it. I like it. Kind of hate the idea. Should have got short here, but you never know with these moves. Look at these barcodes. This was a massive range, to be honest. Now the question is, do we have another opportunity? Bought into the 50s and sold it to the 70s. Perfect trade. Maybe we can, if we can hold again at the 45s, let's see what happens. I'm not gonna take any more trades, I'm done for today. I'm done. I'm gonna take everything off right here just to be safe. $289 to end the day with, that's crazy. Let me see if I can add the accounts. What is this? I don't get it. There was the 50s initially. I don't know if you got long here. but yeah, whatever. We got down there 49s, but I wanted maybe a little more into the 45s. As you can see, all the volume sitting down there around this area. As we kind of started chopping in this area exactly into the 2100s here, we got some volume. First, let me tell you guys something about taking trades. So as you can see, we went back down, let's see, 2-minute chart, we went back down into the 41s, right? And we retested it. First, every time you see this, let me take this one off, take this one off. Every time you see something like this, like you have a resistance where it got stuck, well, first test is the best test. So it means the response of that initial test, the first retest of the area, will be the best. So it means it will hold the best opportunity. In our case, it held one of the best opportunities here. Perfect trade, pretty much. Okay, I'm done. That's it. Let's see what this is. Maybe we plummet that back down there into the 40s. So small pullback here. And then continue. Let's see. 40 area. We marked it up on the chart. What is with these lags within the chart, man? Nah, I'm done for today. Let's get out of every single position, make sure there's no leftover positions, and that's it. I think this will be a good setup as well. As you can see, this is the second retest, so let's see how we close on the 2-minute chart. $21 EMA, guys. Spoke about it. I marked out, by the way, this 800 area on the daily chart and on the hourly chart here because we've had so much support here. As you can see, if I go on the 15-minute chart and I show you guys the 800s, this is what happened. Look at this. 1 test, 2 tests, 3 tests, 4 tests of the 800 area. It held us as support and we pretty much pushed back up here. What is the ES doing? Would the ES have a little more opportunity?
Krijgt u een duidelijker zicht op uw energierenovaties.
Okay.
De ramen vervangen, dak isoleren, zonnepanelen.
Bij Beobank helpt de simulatie toe.
The SPY is holding. We got that gap to the downside here. QQQ also pulling back into the view up. Kind of clean price action on the ETFs here. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. We ended the day up a lot of money, like $289, almost $300. This is a great milestone and I'm happy to see it in my funded account. And thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe. 50 subs and we go live every day, 15:30 Belgium time. Again, for the following days, guys, by the way, look at these. I'd say to be careful because we have these choppy days nowadays. As you can see, this is chop, this is kind of choppy as well, wicking. they're just, we need to let it find direction. Alright guys, I'm gonna go. See you guys tomorrow for Turbo Tuesdays, or for a nice happy Tuesday. Maybe we get another green day. That would be sick if we could bag one. And let's see what tomorrow brings us. Stay tuned for tomorrow. Tuesday open. Peace out guys. Peace to the Middle East.